Hello, and welcome back to another video. This is Central Park, and I'm on the Veteran Sherman Electric Unicycle EUC in New York City, in Manhattan, in Central Park. Huh?
Supposed to be shovel fiddle on second fin.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
It's over, man. It's a new day. It's a new era is upon us. And we are live. So let's do this thing in Central Park alongside our guest, the Veteran Sherman Max. We have much to discuss, people. But first, we're trying to get some reactions to this whole noisy engine in Central Park thing. And I can't seem to really be able to get people to be like, what the heck, dude? What are you doing? I think I blew out my engine. Anyway, folks, if you enjoyed that little engine screaming down the park for the third or fourth time, I don't know how many times I've done it. I'm going to have to rework it a little bit. I think a couple good things to do would be to set up the tripod somewhere in the bushes and then, time my pass of some people right near the tripod and have it loud then and rev the engine a lot. Maybe something where you could actually see someone's facial expression a little better than me just ripping past them at 30 miles an hour. I feel like that's not, I give pranksters and video makers a lot of credit because it's all about timing sometimes, and it really is. It's not an easy thing to do. It's like solving a puzzle or a riddle sometimes. So kudos to you guys out there. I will be on your heels though with pranks and other fun ideas and themes and topics for videos. So get ready because it's time to up the ante on these riding vids. Even though I love the riding vids, still watching them, especially when I have cool and interesting topics to discuss. So if you have cool and interesting topics for me to discuss, let me know in the comments what you want to hear my take on. I've been told that sometimes I give interesting takes on topics. So maybe you want me to break down things that I think about or topics that I have feelings about. And we can see if we agree or disagree and see what's going on out there. See if I can't shed some light on some issues with you, and see if we can't have some fun together while we do that. Bro, you better stand up straight, bro. What are you doing? Just kidding. Mr. EUC Max. Mr. Veteran Sherman Max on the grind. Okay, we shall draw these rides to a close soon. Thank you. Folks, thanks for tuning in once again. I appreciate you joining me for these fun and wicked rides. I look forward to seeing you on the next ride together. And be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and share. And tell your friends. And I really do mean it. If you like and you want to see more, just hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Alright, have a great day. Goodbye.